Hello guys, I got a new just a day SkyQ home and touch remote video Sky intro. It's 2018 then June. This premiere episodes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1, go.
With the SkyQ home screen, finding the shows you love is fast, simple, and intuitive. You can access it at any time by pressing the home button on your SkyQ remote. For a TV experience that's tailored to you, select MyQ. In Continue Watching, quickly find shows and series you've already started but not yet finished, picking up exactly where you left off. Discover new series from your favourite shows and other series you may be interested in. We'll also pick movies and catch up TV shows we think you'll like, based on what we watched before. And if you have more than one SkyQ box in the house, you'll find unique recommendations on each one. The home screen allows you to quickly find your favourite box sets, movies and sports, and shows your kids will love. And in online video, you can browse hand-picked playlists of videos from across the web and experience the best of the internet on your TV screen.